Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing the front pipe for the 22 Plus WRX. So without further ado, it is out with the old and in with the new.
First, we need to remove the subframe brace. All these bolts have been pre-loosened to make our video go a little easier. Step 2 is remove the exhaust pipe from the front cat. Step 3, remove exhaust pipe from the hanger. Step 4, remove exhaust pipe from catback. Remove exhaust pipe from hanger. Remove exhaust pipe from car. In most cases, we recommend replacing the factory gasket, but it can be reused. Might want to check it before. We're going to install the front section of the exhaust. Next, we're going to install the coupler over the front part of the exhaust. Then the middle section. Snap it into the hanger. Install the bolt removed before. And then we're going to slide the coupler all over the other pipe, roughly half the distance, so they have the same amount of space between them. And aim it about right there. Next, we're going to install the rear section, starting with another coupler. Slide it over the exhaust. Slide the rear section on. Again, slide the coupler about halfway up the pipe. Then we're going to connect the rear section up. Make sure to install the gasket between the catback and our exhaust. Next, we're going to reinstall the chassis brace. Install all the bolts loose to start with. We need to move the exhaust to adjust for clearance between the subframe and the pipe. With holding the pipe away from the subframe brace, tighten the nuts at the front. Next, we're going to align the hanger and the exhaust pipe and tighten that down. Next, tighten the exhaust pipe to the catback. Make sure the flanges align between the two parts. Now adjust the front coupler so a wrench can easily access it. Might need to rotate it. And then tighten these down to their final torque spec. adjust the rear coupler the same as the front, rotating it till you have good clearance, and tighten this clamp.
Well, there you have it. Thank you, Jeff, for showing us how to install the front pipe for the 22 Plus WRX. Of course, if you have any further questions or concerns, just leave a comment down below. We'll get right back to you. And maybe stay tuned for future videos. But if you liked this one, y'all know what to do.